Today we are going to discuss about structural questions, especially the 7th question in your Islam paper. Write a note on the following. Children, remember, whenever they ask to write a note, it doesn't mean that you have to only write notes. You can write down points and explain them. But remember, you have to write 5 points and you have to explain each point separately. You can do that, or else you can write a note. And also remember that when they ask you to write a note, you are not supposed to write essays. They will not give you marks for essays. Indeed, questions like introduce, you have to always assume you are going to make an intro to a person who has no knowledge about that particular topic. Assume in that way and then try to introduce, and you will introduce it much better. And now the first question is introduce Masjidul Aqsa. Remember, these points are very important with regard to Masjidul Aqsa, and if you write as the way it is, you won't get the full marks. So in order to obtain the full marks, you have to explain point by point, or you should write a note. If it's a note, children, you can jumble the order. If it is point by point explanation, then please do follow the order. My first point is situated in Palestine. So under that I would also say the masjid situated in Palestine, Jerusalem, is called Masjidul Aqsa or Baitul Muqaddis. It is one of the holiest city in the world. The land surrounding it are sacred, and those areas were known as Sham. My second point, it was first built by Prophet Adam, and later it was reconstructed and renovated by some other prophets. It was initially built by Prophet Adam alayhi salam and later reconstructed by Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. And especially it was renovated and reconstructed, also extended by Sulaiman alayhi salam with the help of jinns. My third point, it was a masjid from where Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam proceeded his Mi'raj journey and known to be the first Qibla of Muslims. So under that I would say it was in the mosque Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed and led prayer for all the other prophets and proceeded his journey Mi'raj in the vehicle called Buraq. My fifth point is it is connected to Isa alayhi salam and will be in the hand of Muslims in the future. Under that I would say this is the third holiest and the second built mosque on the earth, and it is connected to Isa alayhi salam, who is to descend towards the end. And it is also said that Prophet Isa alayhi salam would fight against Dajjal and defeat him in the place where Aqsa is situated. Introduce Masjidul Haram. The first point, the present Qibla of Muslims. Masjidul Haram, which is known to be the first built mosque and the holiest mosque on the surface of earth, and it is the present Qibla of Muslims. Second point, it was built by Adam alayhi salam. Under that, it was first built by Adam alayhi salam, and there is a belief that angels built it before him. It was Prophet Ibrahim who rebuilt and raised walls after the flood which occurred during the period of Noah alayhi salam. The third point, Kaaba during Jahiliyat. Under that, Kaaba was a place of idol worship during Jahiliyat. The first idol called Hubal was placed by Amir bin Luhay. Fourth point, reconstruction of Kaaba after Abraha attack. Under that, 30 years after the Abraha attack, reconstruction of Kaaba began. The Hajarul Aswad stone was placed by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam with a unanimous decision. Fifth point, Fateh Makkah. After the victory of Makkah on the 8th year of Hijri, sallallahu alaihi wasallam cleansed all the idols. By this time, Kaaba was made the Qibla. Introducing Masjidun Nabawi, first point, situated in Medina. Under that, this mosque, which is situated in Medina, is the second holiest mosque, and a single salat offered there is equal to 1,000 salat. Second point, the first masjid or the community center built for Muslims after Hijrat. It was said to be the first masjid built by Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam after Hijrat. The place where Qaswa, the camel of Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, stopped and Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam landed for the first time was chosen for construction. Third point, the formation and the construction. This mosque was too simple and small. At the beginning, the masjid was 13 to 35 meters. Clay and stones were used to raise walls and the doorways. Pillars were raised using date palms, and for roof they used date palm branches. It had 3 entrances. A part was left in front for Sahabas. Those Sahabas were called as Ashabus Sufa. Fourth point, services rendered by Masjidun Nabawi. Under that, this masjid was not only a place of worship, instead it served as a school to impart knowledge, court to give judgment, parliament to discuss state issues, Baitul Mal, and an army camp, and many other. Fifth point, extended and renovated. It was extended and renovated by Umar Rali, Usman Rali, and many other. Finally, it was extended by Fahad bin Abdul Aziz. Masjidun Nabawi is known to be the second largest masjid in the world. These are the simple steps to obtain full marks. Just know the points or the headings, then justify your topic. You may obtain 5 out of 5, inshallah.